internal combustion engine vehicle will have 30,000 parts to be assembled into a factory and hundreds of suppliers. That means that to produce one single car, you need to coordinate, you need to orchestrate a lot of flows from hundreds of suppliers. Without proper visibility and moreover actionability, you will not be able to succeed in your manufacturing. IoT devices will help us to track and monitor parameters like temperature, like humidity, position, exact location, and real time, etc., etc. So that is a great input. So supply chain visibility from IoT in real time is key. Second point I will say is what is related to the vehicles that transport those goods themselves. So we have a truck with IoT, will be able to divert itself. We will be able to avoid traffic jams or any other topic around. And last but not least, having IoT in logistics and supply chain will support Industry 4.0 on this dynamic manufacturing.